Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys the new collaboration from Juvias place, and it is with Vanessa. So if you guys are interested in seeing her collection and my demo and my review, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so let's just jump right in. So today I have the Vanessa collection, okay, and it is just so freaking cute. So here is the box for her collection, and it's just very gorgeous. So here's the box for her collection, and I just think that it is just so freaking pretty. Look at how gorgeous she looks, and then she has her Nubian queen-esque look going on here. So I just really love her packaging. So here's the legit nude lip gloss, and then here is the Naomi lip gloss, which I'll go ahead and take them out the box, and I'm going to show you guys the products. I just wanted to show you guys the packaging first. So here's the actual palette. I wanted to show you guys the actual products as well as the packaging, because the packaging is really cute. So here's the actual packaging, and she just looks so beautiful on there, and I love just her queen vibes. But anyways, once you open up the palette, this is what the color story is looking like. It's very beautiful. As you guys will see, there is some indentations on here because of the simple fact that I have been swatching and playing around with it and everything. And I also did a video on Instagram Reels, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. My Instagram handle is @glamshay. So yeah, these colors are absolutely beautiful and definitely up my alley, and they look amazing on my chocolatey skin. So here is the lip gloss. The lip gloss is absolutely gorgeous. I really do love this lip gloss. This one is called Legit Nude, and it is so pretty. I did feature that one on the Instagram reel, so definitely to see how it looks, definitely go ahead and go over there and check it out. But this is the Legit Nude. Okay, and last but certainly not least, we have the Naomi lip gloss, and it is a beautiful pink color. I absolutely love it, and I'm super excited to try it out again today because I did swatch it on the lips, but I am excited to pair it with whatever look I do today for you guys. Okay, so now that you guys have seen the actual products and how beautiful they are, I am going to go ahead and do the demo. Now on camera, I am just going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow as well as my lips so that we can keep this focused on the Vanessa collection. So let's get right into it.
Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel if I know for you, I'm gonna talk up, baby, get rock on, no need for protein, baby, love you, baby, dagu, body, I just gotta tell you, what's in my mind, you gotta know, body smoking like a cigarette, oh, baby, I can smoke it all, yeah, say now you I want to see, when I wake up in the morning, now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you, I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you, I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh, original bad man, oh.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Vehicles.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all.
Okay divas, so here is the final look. So I really do hope you guys have enjoyed this look. Now we are going to go ahead and talk about my review and whether or not I would recommend them and all that good stuff. Okay divas, so here is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about each of the products because I have used majority of the eyeshadows in this palette because I did do another look as I told you guys before, so now I feel like I can give you guys like a full-on review, and plus I just couldn't wait to get my hands in this palette. Okay. So let's go ahead and start off with the actual palette. So this palette is very beautiful. I absolutely love the color story. First of all, the packaging, like look at how gorgeous and cute Vanessa looks on here. Like it just looks so freaking pretty. Okay, so I love the packaging. It's very her because she loves, like you could tell she loves like very neutral colors and things like that. So I really do love the packaging and how it actually relates to her because this is her collaboration. Now the color story is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like we have all the colors that we need in here to create a really nice look. And another thing that I love about her palette is that you can actually carry this through the seasons. You're not limited to use this only during winter or spring or fall or whatever have you. Like you can use this any time of the year, and I love that. I love things that you can just carry through the year, okay, and just not even have to think about it. I also of course love the pigmentation. Juvia's Place they never disappoint or make you regret purchasing their shadows. They are very affordable and they are very high quality, and I'm so here for that. So I had no problems with blending my mattes or with applying my metallics on the lids. Like they perform absolutely beautiful, and I wasn't expecting anything less, to be quite honest, because I love Juvia's Place eyeshadows. So overall, would I recommend this palette? Definitely. It is very gorgeous and super worth the coin. And of course you want to support our sis Vanessa because she's gorgeous and she always slays and she's very talented, and I'm so happy that they collab with her because I absolutely am in love with her content, and everything is very like I love watching it. So now let's go ahead and talk about the lip glosses. I really do love the lip glosses. Both of them are very complimentary to my skin tone, which I really do love. But not only that, I feel like these lip glosses will look good on anybody, so that's really good. I did just go ahead and pair both of the lippies with this Juvia's Place liner in Cola, and it looks absolutely amazing. Of course you can use your own lip liner if you want to, but it does pair well with the Cola lip liner by Juvia's Place. And yeah, I really love the texture and how it feels on my lips. And what else? It's just really like, it's pigmented, it's very nice gloss, but it's not like that sticky consistency. It has a nice consistency. I don't have any complaints with the glosses as well, so I definitely think you should pick these up. And honestly, I feel like you should just pick up all three from her collection because honestly, like all the stuff is fire. Like I'm not even gonna lie, like everything is fire. But if I had to say, like if you had to choose, because obviously like I was like, no, I want the whole I want the whole set. But if I had to choose, I would definitely say to go for the palette because of the simple fact that she does have like this beautiful color called Perfection on my lid. Like I was not sure how it was going to come out on my lid because it looks very different in the pan, but it looks just absolutely gorgeous. It's like this perfect, it's weird because it's named Perfection, right? But it's like this perfect pink, and it has like these beautiful metallic glitter specks. It's just so freaking pretty. Like it just makes me feel very girly and feminine, and just I don't know, like I just really like. But yeah divas, that is pretty much it for my demo and my review. I do hope that you did enjoy. If you did, then please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. Let me know if you are gonna get this palette and these glosses, or if you already got it, or if you love it, or just let me know. I would love to know. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.